here's the secret, my darling. If you truly want to live a happy life, like sustain happiness, you have to unlearn the belief that self-love is selfish. Because it's not. In fact, it might be one of the most considerate things that you can do for your loved ones, for your community. Let me tell you one anecdote, isa lang, from my college experience. I was talking with my org mates, tapos basta nirarank namin yung priorities. And I put self on top. Tapos hindi niya magets ng isang orgmate ko, hindi niya magets bakit nasa taas yung self. Bakit hindi family, bakit hindi country, bakit hindi God or higher power. Sabi ko sa kanya, I need to give to myself first in order to give to others. Hindi niya talaga mag-grasp yan. And I understand her. Like, looking back, feeling ko, inaatake niya ako personally. Pero I realized, ganun tayo program eh. Ganun natuto yung mga tao na, pwedeng hindi priority yung sarili. Sa dulo na siya. Pero paano ka magbibigay from a place of love? Wait, gigigil. Paano ka magbibigay from a place of love and not resentment? Paano magiging sustainable yung pagbibigay mo, pag-care mo sa iba? Kung ikaw nga ubos na. Kung phone ka, tapos empty bat ka lagi, paano ka magpa-function ng maayos, di ba? Yun. So, if you are doing self-love, if you are somewhere in that relationship with yourself, good job! I'm so proud of you, my darling. I know it's not easy, but it's really worth it. And I hope mas matuto pa tayo how to fill our cup first. Because there will inevitably be overflow. And we will learn how to love others better, show up better for others too, and for ourselves. And just live a very happy, sustainably happy life. Yun yung deserve natin. Yan lang! I love you. We got this.